Alright, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape data from Google Play Store. So what I'm going to scrape here is reviews data from an application. And now, for example, I want to scrape the reviews data from Genshin Impact. So I want to scrape the name, the ratings, the date, and the full reviews. Not only the reviews, but also the full reviews, like this. Alright, so now what we're going to do here is open the app's name, WebHarvey. So WebHarvey is an application or tools to scrape data from any website. Alright, so first you need to install the WebHarvey. You can search this on YouTube. And after that, you need to get the URL. Go to the page of Genshin Impact in Google Play Store and then copy. Let's copy the link and make sure the link contains the show all reviews is equal true. And after that, we go back to the WebHarvey, paste it on the URL, and then click this. Alright, let's wait for this application loading the page. Alright, it's done, and now we're going to start to get capture the data. Start with the name, but before that we need to click start here. Click start, and then now we can click the data we want to scrape. Now I want to click the name like this. Make sure it was highlighted by the yellow color. Okay, and then click capture text, and we can provide a name, anything you want. I want to name this as username, and then click OK. Alright, so it will capture the data. It's not scraping, it's just preview the data that we want to scrape. Alright, it takes sometimes. It's based on your internet connection. If your internet is good, then it will be faster. Okay, maybe I'll skip this video, or maybe not. Alright, it's done. So now I want to scrape the date. Alright, we click the date like this. Click and capture the text. I will name this as date. Then click OK. We will scrape the date. Yeah, it took some time. Once again, it's based on your internet connection. My internet is really bad, so that's why it took a while. Alright, so now after the date is done, we're going to try to scrape to catch the ratings. Yeah, the ratings, click like this. Oh yeah, make sure it highlight all the star like this, not like this, but like this. Click, and then we click capture HTML. Alright, after that we click here, apply regex. It is a regular expression, so we want to get the stars. Okay, so we want to get the number. I want to get the number of the ratings. So here I want to type area label is equal, but I want to get the number, so I need to type this the same as it provided on the text here. Diberi space writing, because it's Indonesian, so I need to type this exactly same as Indonesian. it's not 5, it's supposed to be the number you want to catch, like this. So it's, if it's English, it's usually just maybe writing, or I don't know what is it, but you need to type exactly as same as it's provided on the HTML here. If you are using English, so just type English, exactly the same as it's provided here. And after you come to the, or you get to the position where the number is belong, then you change the number with parentheses like this, and backslash like this, and then D. After that you click apply, and then you will get the number. After that, capture HTML, and we provide the name. I will name this as ratings. Okay, and we get the number. Alright, let's wait until the parsing data complete. Okay, it's done. So now we're going to scrape the reviews. But you know, the review is not always displayed full, so we need to click this manually. To see the full reviews, usually you need to click here, but here we cannot click this. So all we need to do here is add some JavaScript. So I already searched the JavaScript on Google to click all the, or to get the full reviews. So let's copy this and go back to the web Harvey, and anywhere here click right click, oh sorry, just left click like usual, and then click more option, and then click run script. Okay, and then we paste the JavaScript code here, paste and apply. Alright, so now all the reviews are already displayed fully, and now we can click the reviews like this, not like this, yeah, not like this, but like this. It's supposed to be a rectangle shape like this. Click and capture text. I will name this as reviews. Oops. Okay, and wait for maybe for a second. Alright, it's done. Everything is complete. Now, before we start to scrap this data, we need to go to the configuration and then go to set JavaScript, click load more data, and then apply, close, and then click here, scroll to load next page. Alright, so everything is done, and we go back to home and stop. Alright, so we go to the start mine. Alright, now we're going to mine or scrape the data from the pages. So now we set the page that you want to scrape. How many pages you want to scrape? Maybe 5, 10, or maybe 100. But the more pages you want to scrape, the more time you need. So I guess for now I just want to scrape one page. Let's start. Each page it's content of 40 reviews in Google Play Store. So you want to get maybe 1,000 reviews, you need to scrape maybe around how many? If one page is 40, then yeah, maybe it's around 200 and oh no, it's maybe 25. Yeah, 25 times 40 is, yeah, it's 2000. No, 25 times 4 is 100. Yeah, 1000. 25 pages will get you 1000 data. Right, we got 40 here because we only scrape one page. Right, this is the reviews. So this is how the scraping process works. And after it's done, we can export the result. Click export here, export as file, and then we can choose what kind of format you want the data to be. I want to choose CSV and save as. I want to save this on maybe on desktop, and but we need to give this file name. Maybe I will name this Kenshin Reviews. Yeah, Kenshin Reviews. Save and export. Alright, it's done. It's pretty quick. Now let's go back to the desktop and check the data. Alright, it's already here. Let's see what we get here. And yeah, this is it. We got the data we want. We have username, date, and rating, and also reviews. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like this video, and if you have any question, you can type this on the comment section. Alright, see you in the next video. Thank you.